Hi, and welcome to Engineering Essentials AutoCAD Instruction. In this episode, we're going to look at the trim and extend command. The trim command allows you to delete objects between two boundaries. In this version of AutoCAD, it became very simple to do that. So I'm going to select the trim command, and I'm going to, let's say I want to get rid of this part of the circle between those two lines. All I have to do is select it, and AutoCAD automatically determines what it thinks you want the boundaries to be. So just click on it and bam, it's gone. But what happens if I don't want those two boundaries that AutoCAD selected? Let's say that I want to get rid of the circle between that line and that line. Well, I can do that. I can choose my own cutting edges. So I'll select that, and I'll select this one and that one, right? It's way over there. So now when I select, well, I have to hit enter first. I select that. It goes between that line and that line. So I can choose my cutting edges, or I can have AutoCAD choose my cutting edges. So it's very flexible. Another thing that changed in this version is the quick mode or the standard mode. Right now I have it in the quick mode, and what that allows me to do is draw a line and delete several items at once. So I'm just going to click, draw, and bam, all of those are gone. To change between the quick mode and the standard mode, all I have to do is select mode and either do standard or quick. So I'll leave it in the quick mode. Alright, so now what about the extend? Well, the extend puts back objects. Trim takes away, extend puts back. And it works on the same principle. So if I want to extend something, then I need a boundary and the object. So let's get rid of something first. Let's say this line here. And if I want to put that back, then I just click on it and it's back. But if I want to choose my boundaries, let's go to trim. Let's say that I want to put this line back, but I want to put it all the way back, right? Not just to the center. Then I can choose my boundary to be this circle. I'll hit enter and it'll go all the way back. So the extend is the same as the trim. You can have AutoCAD choose the boundaries, or you can choose the boundaries. Alright, so that's the ins and outs of trim and extend. There's a lot of other things you can do with it, but I find those are the important things. So if you want to learn more, go to the help section in your AutoCAD, and I'll see you in the next episode.